Say hello to the 4K. 4,000 years of development. Imagine every built-in bit of your kitchen, bring it outside, and you've got this. The 4K is the next level of outdoor cooking. Whether it's burgers, a roast chicken, leg of lamb, some pizza, it does it all. It does it all. The beauty of this is that it gives you the technology that we developed on previous models, the ability to light your charcoal with the press of a button. But it harnesses the fire and gives us the control in a way that has never ever been done before. You need fire to make glass. And here, you use glass to make fire. And with this machine, there's a control panel which also connects to your phone via an app. You lift the lid, the way that the heat conducts inside here gives you such an even cooking environment. There's 6 probes in here. 2 probes that measure the temperature of the air. And the other 4 probes that measure the temperature of the meat or the fish or whatever you're cooking. It can even measure the temperature of the surface of the grill. You can move the food further away from the heat source. You can also, by controlling the air in and the air out to get the flow, you can slow cook. There are so many things that you can do with this. You can decide how long you want your food to be smoked for. It gives you the precision at your fingertips. There is nothing that you can cook in a conventional domestic kitchen that you can't do in this. There's things that you can do in this that you cannot do in a domestic kitchen. So the 4K takes cooking to another level.